Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI, and right here I'm holding these cute gold hoop earrings, but they are shaped like hearts. So these are 14 karat gold. They do come in so many different colors though, if you prefer silver or rose gold, whatever to your liking. I did go with the yellow gold. It does have the 14 karat written right on the clasp. It is a nice little clasp. It just hooks in right at the back and clips right in. These are about 2 millimeters thick, and they do come between 16 to 22 millimeters. I have the 16 millimeter one. It fits just nicely around my ear. It's not hitting my earlobe at all. I like the fact that you can wear these either dressed up, they're simple, they're classy. You can wear them just every day. I like to have sleeper earrings so that there's something always in my ears. So these are a little more girly, I find, and super cute and go with everything. I like that it's different than just regular circle hoop. I like the fact that it's got a shape to it, and it's really cute that it's sideways. It's kind of different, I thought, and funky. My daughter has her own pair as well, so that we can be twinsies, and we just love them. But that's just my point of view.